Hi everyone. Today I would like to discuss about the OLQs that are being checked in the interviews of Indian Defense Services. Officer like quality. Actually, the interviewing officers are checking these qualities of the candidates present there. They have been checking this from each and every activities of the candidates like their answers, their writings, their behavior and everything. And what are these qualities? How important are these for this interview? There are a total of 15 officer-like qualities under 4 different titles such as planning and organizing ability, social effectiveness, social adjustment, and dynamism. This will be definitely different for different candidates. The assessing officers have been checking that whose OLQs are mostly matching with their criteria and who are trainable to be an officer. If someone is having more than 70% or 80% marks for their written exam, but lacking these qualities, they won't be selected for further testing. The candidates having lesser marks than them with these qualities will go for the next step. At the same time, if you are having these qualities inside but failed to express it at the right time due to different factors like stress and anxiety, etc., you will also be out of the selection process. That is very unfortunate. So understand these qualities and develop it before attending the interview. But don't fake yourself there. Be the one who you are. Now we can go deep into the topic. Under planning and organizing ability, there are mainly four qualities such as effective intelligence, reasoning ability, power of expression, and organizing ability. The effective intelligence means how you handle a situation, like if it is a tougher situation, what type of solution you are finding out, and if it is a moderate one, how you find and implement the solution with the maximum and intelligent use of available resources. In case of simple situations, whether you get stuck to find a solution or you are facing any problem to start a solution, these are being assessed by them. The second one is reasoning ability. Here they are checking whether you are correctly understanding the situation or directly jumping into the solution without understanding it. The type of solution you are finding out for simple and tough situations. Are you using the resources correctly? Whether you are finding a tough solution for a simple situation or you are affected by the emotional factors. Third, power of expression. You should express your ideas clearly, effectively, and it should be easily catched by others. So, that is power of expression. Fourth, organizing ability, which means we found a solution. Now we have to implement it in an effective manner. So, we need to organize the resources, such as the materials available, human resource, and it should be completed in the given time. Here we use our organizing ability to do this. Second one is social effectiveness. Five qualities are coming under this topic. One is initiative, which means in a given situation we need to start our action by understanding it and by taking the necessary decision. Here they are checking whether we are having any difficulty to start an action or we are waiting for someone to start or some others instructions, even in simple situations. Second is timely decision. Here they are expecting us to take correct decision in a very small interval of time without any confusion, delay and repeatedly thinking whether it is correct or not, which means be quick in taking decisions. Third is confidence. As we all know how confidence plays an important role in our life, we have to have a faith in ourselves and our abilities and use the opportunities coming in our way with full confidence. Fourth one, influencing ability. Influence the group with good ideas and positive thoughts. Set examples to convince them. Be friendly with everyone. Fifth is liveliness, which means we need to maintain a positive atmosphere throughout the activity and we need to have energy and even smile at stressful situations. Third is social adjustment. Three qualities are there. First one is social adaptability, which means we adapt to our surroundings and social environment. Consider everyone and have a good touch with everyone. Second is cooperation. Cooperation is the key to achieve the desired goal in a team. So everyone should work towards a goal with their full effort and by considering everyone's opinions and ideas. Third is responsibility. It is willingly taking the responsibility to complete the task instead of staying away from it and trying to achieve the goal in a responsible way. Last one is dynamism. Dynamism includes three qualities. First one is determination. It is the firm decision to do something in urgent or stressful situations, irrespective of the difficulties coming in front of us. Second one is courage, which means in some situations the physical as well as mental challenges are high. In such situation, we need to take the responsibility to do the task by overcoming our fear. Third quality is stamina. We need to work normally under small physical as well as mental pressure. We should have the capacity to do some physical activities and should remain calm under stressful situations. And these are the 15 officer like qualities that are being checked in SSB interviews. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and also press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.